Welcome to the Mizo lesson for beginners. We shall continue to learn more vocabulary and sentence construction before moving on to building conversations.
He
Is used to refer to an object as this, while
ka
is used to refer to an object as that. We shall now learn to express numbers in Mizo language,
pakhat
which means 1,
pakhat pahni
which means 2,
pathum
which means 3,
pathum pali
which means 4,
panga
which means 5,
panga paruk
which means 6,
pasari
which means 7,
pariyat
which means 8,
pakwa
which means 9,
som
which means 10,
lekhabu
which means a book,
lekhabu pahni
which means 2 books,
lekhabu pahni he lekhabu ani
which means this is a book,
he lekhabu ani
This is a conversation between two speakers. The first speaker asked,
enge he
"What is this?" The second speaker responded,
he lekhabu ani
"This is a book." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
enge he lekhabu ani
This is another conversation between two speakers. The first speaker asked,
enge kha
"What is that?" The second speaker responded,
lekhabu ani
"That is a book." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
enge kha lekhabu ani
This is a continuation of the previous conversation between you and your father. He asked further,
tu lekhabu nge
"Whose book is this?" You received this book from your Mizo friend, and her name was written on the top corner of the first page. You showed it to your father and responded,
lekhabu ani
"This is her book." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
tu lekhabu nge lekhabu ani lekhabu ani
Which means, "Is this your book?"
lekhabu ani lekhabu ani lekhabu ani
Which means, "This is my book."
lekhabu ani
Is a versatile expression in Mizo language, which is used to refer to plural pronouns, we and us. It can also be used to indicate possession by multiple people in first-person plural, which is roughly equivalent to or,
kain
which means my home,
kain Ka in. Kan in.
which means our home.
Kan in. Kan in. Tu in.
Which means whose home.
Tu in. Tu in. Hei hi tu te in nge.
Which means whose home is this.
Hei hi tu te in nge. Hei hi tu te in nge.
This is a conversation between you and your Mizo friend. After arriving at your friend's hometown in Mizoram, you wanted to keep your luggage at a safe place. Your friend acknowledged your request and takes you to a place to leave your belongings. You curiously asked,
Hei hi tu te in nge.
whose home is this? Your friend responded,
Hei hi ka in ani.
this is my home. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Hei hi tu te in nge. Hei hi ka in ani.
This is a conversation between two Mizo students studying in Chennai. While one student already rented a place to stay, the other student visiting it for the first time curiously inquired,
Hei hi tu te in nge.
whose home is this? The student who rented the place welcomed her and responded,
Hei hi ka in ani.
this is our home. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Hei hi tu te in nge. Hei hi ka in ani.
Mizo language uses the common word to denote the possession of object, as well as relationship with a person. For example,
Pen ka ne.
which means have a pen,
Chian ka ne.
which means have a friend,
Chian ka ne.
which means have friend or have friends.
Chian ka ne. Chian ka ne. Mizo chian ka ne.
Which means have Mizo friend or have Mizo friends.
Mizo chian ka ne. Mizo chian ka ne. Mizo chian inayim.
Which means do you have Mizo friend or do you have Mizo friends.
Mizo chian inayim. Mizo chian inayim. Mizo chian te.
Which means I have Mizo friends.
Mizo chian te. Mizo chian te. Mizo chian ka ne lo.
Which means I don't have Mizo friends.
Mizo chian ka ne lo. Mizo chian ka ne lo.
We shall conclude this lesson with another conversation between you and your friend. Your friend was aware that you were studying Mizo language for quite a while and curiously asked,
Mizo chian inayim.
do you have Mizo friends? You responded,
Mizo chian te. Nangzo.
I have Mizo friends. And you? Your friend was glad to know and replied,
Mizo chian ka ne lo.
I don't have Mizo friends. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Mizo chian inayim. Mizo chian te. Nangzo. Mizo chian ka ne lo.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Mizo lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.